from the Hotel California. Then eternity, you can find it here.
Ayan po, Mari.
Her mind is very twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She goes playing on the dance in the courtyard. Sweet summer smell. Sometimes to remember, sometimes to forget. So I called up the captain. Please bring me my wife. She said, we haven't had a spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Waking up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, hey, welcome to the Hotel California.
Hindi namatay, ano?